Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. This is another problems. Have to factorize it. The degree of this polynomial is 3, so you can't factorize it in the normal way. So what should I do? We have to use the long division rules, but to divide something you need the divisor, right? But here there is no divisor, so we have to find out the divisor first. To find out the divisor, we need a system. Which system is a trial and check system to make the expression 0. So at first write the expression in the function system fx equals to something like that, and we have to substitute the value of 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3 until the expression you get the 0. Okay, so at first I'm checking by 1. What is the result? It is use your calculator. What is the result? It is 12 and not 0, so try again. I will try again by -1. Yes, to substitute the -1, if we could get the 0 of the expression, or the result, it is -16, not 0. So we have to try again. To put the value of another, I use 2 to substitute 2 in the equation. What is the result? It is 8, 16. I'm using the calculator. It is 5, not 0. So we have to try it again to make the expression 0. I'm using now 3. 3 square plus 12, 3 plus 9. What is the result? 0. Wow, it is 0. So we substitute 3 to and we figure out the 0. So x minus 3 is our factor. X minus 3 is our divisor. Okay, so now we have to use the long division rules. This is the factor. This is the factor of the equation. And now we have to divide long division. At first write the divisor, then write the dividend. What is the dividend? Dividend is 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 12x. To divide a long division, you can watch my previous videos. I has explained the long division, how to use the long division rules. So left side is divisor x and right side is a dividend 2x cube, first terms of both of them, and we have to make them equal, right? Divisor first term and dividend first term, make them equal. So now 2x cube to not 2x cube, it is 2x square. My mistake. If we put the 2x square over here, then both of them are same. So 2x square is our quotient. Write it here. And now we have to multiply 2x square with the divisor x minus 3. What is the Result 2x cube minus 3 to 6 x square. Write it over here. 2x cube minus 6x square. Changing the sign because it is subtraction. So minus 11x square plus 6x square, it is 5x square. Bring down the 12x plus 9 over here. You can bring down the 12x at first, then 9, or bring down all of them. Now our target is 5x square and x, so we have to multiply by minus 5x to make them equal. It is minus 5x, so minus 5x is our quotient now. Write it over here and multiply minus 5x with the divisor x minus 3. What's the result? Minus 5x square minus plus 15x. Write it over here. Minus 5x square plus 15. Change the sign since it is subtraction. Minus 5x plus 5x cancel out, plus 12x minus 15x, that is 3x minus 3x. Bring down the plus 9. So minus 3x and left side is only x, so we have to multiply the x with minus 3, right? It was right here like that. And what's the difference? Minus 3. So multiply by minus 3 in the left side. So it is minus 3x equals to minus 3x. They are same. So minus 3 is our quotient. Write it over here. And now we have to multiply minus 3 with the divisor x minus 3. What is that? Minus 3x minus plus 9. Write it over here. Minus 3x plus 9. Change the sign since it is subtraction. Whole thing is cancelled out. There is no remainder. So now our quotient and the factor is x minus 3 and 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now you can just factorize the 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Alright? 2x square, that is 3 times 2, that is 6. LCM. Divided by 2, it is 3 minus 3 minus 2. It would be the correct one or wrong one, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it would be the wrong steps. Okay, no problem. Let's see. 2x minus 3 common, x plus 3. So it is wrong step. We have to use another way. How I guess it would be wrong, because the 3 to the 6, the difference between 6 and 5 is 1. If the difference between the main values and the middle value is 1, then you have to use the other way, that is divide by 1. At first divide by 1, right? To solve it, most of the cases you have to divide by 1 the multiplication values. It is minus 6 plus 1. Then I'm erasing. what is the expression? 2x square minus 6x plus 1, right? Minus 6x plus 1, it is minus 5x, and minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 6. Now common, 2x is common, it is x minus 3 plus 1 common, nothing common is 1 common, it is x minus 3. So x minus 3, x 2x plus 1, this is the factors, and you can write it like that. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. And